Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and we're doing something a little bit different. We're gonna step out of the room today because I did get selected by JD Sports. Low-key, they sent me an email, asked me if I wanted to reserve a pair of this sneaker, the mystery sneaker, and we are gonna go ahead and pick that up today. So make sure you leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. You might as well do that anyways because I got a Wheaties Supreme tee that's being given away. All you have to do is subscribe, follow Nori.archives on Instagram, and comment done on that picture right there, and it's gonna be selected soon, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I'm probably gonna pick a winner this week, so do that and we're gonna move on to the next giveaway. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. We just got a calm little fit, royal toes, black PacSun denim, black Reputation Studios hoodie, and then the hat from Culture Kings, Yankees fitted, you feel me? We about to go on this mission real quick, so let's get up out of here. Alright, so we just got to the mall. I'm about to go in real quick, see if they got my kicks. I got them secured, so we good. I'm gonna show y'all a quick look once we get back here, but for now, hop into a little montage. So I'm not gonna lie, the situation in the mall was kind of weird. There was hella people there, so I'm just like, bro, let me relax. You feel me? But I did get some Starbucks, boom boom, vanilla iced chai, and then we do got the bag. Then in here we got the package. Still haven't opened them. First looks right here. These is nasty, bro. Oh, they dead ass nasty, bro. Why they dirty on the back? These is so cold. I'm so glad I got them in my size now. Y'all already seen the review. It's right here right now. Y'all could go ahead and see the review. It's out as we speak. If you guys are interested in these, bro, definitely pick them up. I really hope you guys got a pair. I feel like there's gonna be restocks here and there, so y'all might be seeing this shoe a little bit more. 23, grown man size. It's kind of like a blue outsole. It's not really like a clear blue. This is actually like a baby blue type shit. Let me know what y'all think of these. Smooth too, like these is hard body, straight to the toe. These are staying in the collection forever, bruh. Definitely a must in anyone's collection. My Jordan 11 collection is complete, bro. It's complete. We good. We good. I low-key spoke it into existence. I knew I was gonna get these. I just didn't know how. And I kept saying like, yo, I'm gonna get these shits. I even said it on the videos multiple times. Like, yo, I'm gonna get those. Like, it's not even a worry. And hey, I got a GS pair flipped them. Then I got an email from JD Sports saying that I got selected or some shit like that for a member exclusive, whatever. The point was they selected me to get these and I reserved them. Shit was the easiest shit ever, bro. I don't know. Cool gray Jordan 11s, cuts and materials on these, the tone of gray, it's just perfect, bro. I've been wanting these since I was like a freshman type shit in high school, bro. Something like that. I've been wanting these for a minute, bro. Over a decade. Let's just say that. These are hard and I'm so glad that I got them. New pair. I've always wanted to do this right here. We got the cool grays, the Space Jams, which are kind of beat, you feel me? Concords and breads, all for retail. Stop playing. You feel me? A million pairs. If you want these, you can definitely get them. That's how I feel. I don't know. So where would y'all rank those 4 Jordan 11s I just showed y'all? For me, it's probably Space Jams, cool grays, Concords, and then breads. I love all of them, but that's just my order. You feel me? These cool grays might low-key be up there for sure. So I'm gonna throw these on feet. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. This morning I was going for the Yeezy Foam Runners 2. I decided to go for those in both colors. I was on Yeezy Supply waiting, you feel me? I literally woke up and I had my phone like this on Yeezy Supply, just keeping it up. And the shit sold out on Yeezy Supply, you feel me? But then I got hit up from the homies over at the kitchen and they said that they were restocking on BBC. So I went on there. Let me see what's up with it, you feel me? Like, what's up with it for real? The first pair was sold out low-key. There was a size 11 in the multi-color color one, the MXTs, I forgot what they're called. I really didn't want those. I wanted the other pair. So I go on those and I see they got a full size and I'm like, oh hell nah. We in this bitch. Add that shit to cart. I saw the little caption, got chimneys on there, chimneys, you feel me? And I'm picking them like, I verify. It goes through, submit, and I think it goes in. I'm like, oh shit, bro, we in here. So I go to Apple Pay, click the little shit on the side, scan my face, and shit start processing. We lit, bro. I'm dead ass just waiting to hit at this point. I'm like, yo, I was on there pretty fast. As soon as they said this shit, I was on there. Shit is processing, and I'm getting my hopes up at this point. I'm not even gonna lie. Thank you, bruh. Thank you. Shit went through. We are lit. Litty titty committee in the city. You feel me? We going hard. I got the foam runners review on those coming soon. Stop playing. Fire, bro. Shout out to the kitchen low key for hooking me up with that. Whoop, the alley oop. I took that and dunked that shit because we hit on the MX runners or whatever the fuck, the foam runners. You feel me? In the ochre size 11. I did size up one because that's what they were recommending. So be expecting those. We got these from the mall today. It's been a great day, you feel me? But let me know what y'all cooked up. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. There's a giveaway going on for this Supreme Wheaties tea. All you have to do is subscribe, obviously, to this channel. Follow Nori.archives on Instagram and comment done on that picture right there. That's all you have to do, bro. It's so easy, literally. I'm gonna be picking a winner within 3 to 4 days, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. Let's throw these on feet real quick, then we'll get straight up out the building.